The Windows 11 2025 update, also referred to as a Windows 11 version 25H2, is now available. This version contains all the latest Windows 11 features and capabilities. To learn more, check out aka.ms/windows/inside this update. Ready to get the Windows 11 2025 update on your device? Let's talk about how we're rolling it out. To ensure you have a great experience, we will roll out the update in phases in the coming weeks based on when the data shows that your device is ready. If you have an eligible device running Windows 11 version 24H2 and previously opted in to get the latest updates as soon as they're available via the toggle on the Windows Update settings page, the Windows 11 2025 update will automatically download and install. This might occur gradually as we expand availability. If you switch on the toggle for Get the latest updates as soon as they're available today, your device will be added to this phase of the rollout. Once the initial rollout is complete, version 25H2 will automatically be offered in phases to remaining eligible devices running version 24H2. The 2025 update will be delivered using servicing technology like that used for our monthly updates. This helps ensure that installing the update is fast and easy if your device is already running version 24H2. In all scenarios, it's a good idea to keep your device plugged into a power source during the update. When the 2025 update has been installed on your device, a restart is necessary to complete the update process. You can choose to restart immediately or schedule the restart for a more convenient time. Be sure to save your files and close any open apps before restarting your device. In some cases, the 2025 update may not be offered to your device right away. This means it may not yet be compatible with your device. Once the update is compatible with your device, you will see version 25H2 offered in the Windows Update settings page. Information on known issues and holds can be found by visiting the Windows Release Health Hub at aka.ms/WindowsReleaseHealth. We hope you enjoy using the Windows 11 2025 update. We'd love to hear your feedback, so please share it using Feedback Hub. Your thoughts and ideas will be sent directly to the teams building Windows 11. Thanks for watching and have a great day.